If you are looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2024 Jeep Compass Sport in Hydro Blue with full-speed forward collision warning, active lane management system, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, drowsy driver detection, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P90334.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.